Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Welcome to the Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host, and today we're diving into some fascinating news from MicroStrategy, a business intelligence firm that's on a mission to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. So, what's been making headlines is MicroStrategy's latest Bitcoin purchase, which just so happens to be one of the largest ever made. According to reports, the company has bought an astonishing 10,107 Bitcoins for a cool $1.10 billion. But that's not all. This latest acquisition brings their total Bitcoin holdings to an impressive 471,107 BTC. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why is MicroStrategy so keen on buying up all this Bitcoin? Well, it's because they believe in the long-term potential of cryptocurrency as a corporate treasury asset. And if that sounds like a fancy way of saying, we think Bitcoin is going to moon, then you're not alone. But what's really interesting about MicroStrategy's approach is their use of something called BTC yield. It's a key performance indicator used to gauge the performance and strategic value of Bitcoin as a corporate treasury asset. And let me tell you, with a current YTD yield of 2.9%, they're getting some serious bang for their buck. Now, I want to highlight that this isn't just some wild speculation. Peter Schiff, a prominent financial commentator, has been keeping an eye on MicroStrategy's moves and has pointed out that their average Bitcoin purchase price has steadily increased. He's even cautioning that it might not be long before the company's entire Bitcoin position could face a loss. But here's the thing, MicroStrategy is just getting started. They've filed a shelf registration statement with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which will allow them to issue securities at any time during the next 3 years without requiring a new registration for each issuance. It's like having an all-access pass to raising capital quickly under favorable market conditions. And if that weren't enough, MicroStrategy is also launching a new convertible preferred stock offering available to institutional and select retail investors. That's right, folks, this company is on a mission to make Bitcoin a mainstream investment opportunity. But what about the tax implications of all this? Well, it turns out that MicroStrategy might face some significant tax challenges down the line, as a recent report suggests they could owe over $19 in taxes on unrealized gains from their Bitcoin holdings. Ouch! And finally, let's take a look at where things stand right now. As of our last check, BTC trades at $116.48, which is down 2.9% in the past 24 hours. It's not ideal, but like we said earlier, MicroStrategy is all about taking calculated risks. So there you have it, folks. MicroStrategy's latest move is a clear indication that they're committed to their vision of Bitcoin as a corporate treasury asset. And if you're curious about how this could play out in the future, stay tuned for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and beyond. Thanks for joining us on this episode of the Bitcoin Bulletin. We'll catch you in the next one.